The previous video here at 3 Minutes Outdoors was all about a fast and easy way to make a European mount. In this video, you'll learn a secure method for attaching your European mount to a display panel and also get some ideas for making panels of your own. You can make your own display panels out of any wood you'd like, but for large, heavy antlers, a hard wood such as oak or walnut is a good choice. For smaller antlers, however, you can get by with softer woods such as maple or cedar, as you'll see here. You can make a panel from brand new wood that you buy from the store, from wood that you salvage from things like old furniture, or from scrap wood that's left over from other projects. After you have an ideal piece of wood, you can design your own shape, trace it from a pre-existing panel, or copy it from some other design that catches your eye, and then cut it out. If you need to fix any cracks or fill any holes in your panel, you can do so with store-bought wood filler or by making your own filler from sawdust and wood glue, as you can see here. Simply fill in the imperfections with your wood filler, let it dry, and sand it down. You can then shape your panel if desired with a drum sander, a router, or other appropriate tools to get the design that you want. Next, sand down your panel with some 200 grit sandpaper, stain it if you'd like, and finish it however you desire, such as with some polyurethane. After the finish dries, you can then attach a hanger on the back and mount the skull. A method that works well for attaching the skull is to fill the cavity with either Bondo body filler or wood filler, which I'm using here. As you can see, I'm also applying filler to the back side of the mouth area of the skull to strengthen it up a little bit, as this particular specimen was badly deteriorated. As the filler starts to set up, secure a mounting bolt right in the middle of it and get it lined up so it's nice and level and in line with the skull. Now for the display panel that I'm using in this mount, I'm using one that I made from a black walnut wood cookie. So to mount the skull to the panel, first put a nut and washer on the bolt near the base of the skull. Then run the bolt through the panel, and finally, put on another washer and nut and tighten the whole thing down. As you can see here, it also helps to drill or route out the back of the panel just a little bit so the bolt and nut fit flush against the wall. Now, depending on how big of a bolt that you use, you may have to cut off the excess with a hacksaw or a grinding wheel. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.